Welcome back to Mind Hack AI. Today, I am showing you real ways people are making money with ChatGPT in 2025. This isn't just theory, and these aren't fake promises. These are 100% realistic methods you can start today, even if you have zero skills. Let's dive right in. First up, AI freelancing. In 2025, this market is absolutely exploding. Millions of businesses are now looking to hire people who know how to use tools like ChatGPT to get work done fast. They aren't looking for master writers or coding geniuses, they're looking for efficiency. So, what kind of services can you offer? Think about content writing. Businesses need blog posts, articles, and website content all the time. With ChatGPT, you can generate a high-quality draft in minutes, then spend a little time polishing it up to make it perfect. You can also offer video script writing. Every YouTuber, marketer, and online course creator needs scripts. You can use AI to structure the story, write the dialogue, and format it professionally. Then there's social media captions. Brands struggle to come up with engaging captions for Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn day after day. You can become their go-to person, creating a month's worth of content in just a few hours. Resume writing is another huge one. People will always be looking for new jobs, and a professionally written resume can make all the difference. ChatGPT is amazing at highlighting skills and crafting compelling career summaries. You can also offer website copy, translation services, or product descriptions for e-commerce stores. Most of these gigs on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr pay anywhere from $10 to $150 per job. The best part is, you don't need to write anything from scratch. ChatGPT does all the heavy lifting for you. Your job is to be the human touch, to refine, edit, and ensure the final result is exactly what the client wants. This is realistic, beginner-friendly, and the demand is incredibly high right now. Method number 2 is AI YouTube automation. This has become the new digital gold mine, and it's easier than ever to get started. You don't need a fancy camera, you don't need to spend hours recording yourself. And you never have to show your face. Here's how it works. ChatGPT writes the script for your video. Then, an editing tool like CapCut can automatically find relevant stock footage and piece it together. AI voice generators narrate the script for you, with incredibly human-like voices. You upload the final video, and YouTube pays you through ad revenue once your channel is monetized. So what kind of channels can you create? The possibilities are endless. You can create channels about new AI tools, personal finance tips, motivation and success stories, technology reviews, surprising celebrity facts, fascinating history lessons, or simple life hacks. The key is to pick a niche you're interested in and stay consistent. The tools do most of the work, so you can focus on creating more content and growing your audience. Let's move on to method 3, AI-powered TikTok and Shorts content. Short-form video is completely dominating social media, and the algorithm rewards quantity and consistency. With AI, you can easily create and post 10 to 20 videos a day. You're probably thinking, how is that even possible? Well, you can ask ChatGPT to give you 100 viral video ideas in your niche. Then, you can use a tool like CapCut, which has thousands of trending templates. You just drop in your text or a simple image, and it creates a dynamic, engaging video in seconds. The monetization opportunities are huge here. You can earn money through the TikTok Creativity Program, the YouTube Shorts Fund, brand deals once you have an audience, and affiliate links where you recommend products and earn a commission on every sale. This is a numbers game, and AI gives you the ultimate advantage to produce content at scale. Method number 4 is one of my favorites because it has zero startup cost, selling AI prompts. In 2025, high-quality prompts are valuable digital products. Think about it, a great prompt can save someone hours of time and frustration. People are more than willing to pay $5 to $50 for a well-crafted prompt pack that gets them the exact results they need from ChatGPT. You can create and sell prompts for just about anything. You could create study prompts for students who need help with exam preparation or business prompts for entrepreneurs who need to write marketing plans. You can create resume prompts for job seekers, YouTube script prompts for content creators, finance prompts for investors, or even coding prompts for developers. You can sell these on marketplaces like Gumroad or Etsy, Once you create the prompt pack, you can sell it an infinite number of times. It's pure profit with no inventory and no shipping. Next up, Method 5, an AI-powered study and homework service. Students and even professionals are constantly overwhelmed with information. They need to read long articles, dense textbooks, and complex reports. You can offer a service that saves them a massive amount of time. Using ChatGPT, you can provide quick summaries of long documents, generate organized notes from a lecture, create simple explanations for difficult concepts, or even build flashcards and study guides for exams. You can charge anywhere from $2 to $15 per task. People are happy to pay for this because you're saving them hours of tedious work. You can find clients on freelance sites or even market your services directly on college campuses through social media groups. Method 6 is AI chatbot services for small businesses. Most small business owners know they should be using AI, but they have no idea where to start and no time to learn. That's where you come in. You can offer to set up simple but powerful AI systems for them. Finally, Method 7 is AI ebook creation. Have you ever dreamed of being a published author and earning passive income? With AI, that dream is closer than you think. You can create a full ebook with ChatGPT in a single hour. First, you brainstorm a topic, then you ask ChatGPT to outline the chapters. After that, you have it write the content for each chapter. Of course, you'll want to review, edit, and add your own personal touch. But the bulk of the writing is done in a fraction of the time. Once your ebook is ready, you can upload it to platforms like Amazon KDP, Payhip, Gumroad, or Etsy. Every time someone buys your book, you earn a royalty. This is the definition of passive income. You do the work once, and you can get paid for it for years to come. Listen, 2025 is the year of AI, but here's the most important thing to understand. AI won't replace people. It will replace people who don't know how to use it. The people who learn how to leverage these tools will be empowered. They will be the ones who get ahead. You don't have to be an expert to get started. You just have to begin. Start small, pick one of these methods and try it out. Start today. You don't need a lot of money. All you need is a little bit of time and a commitment to consistency. This is MindHack AI, and I'm here to show you how to grow smarter, faster, and richer using the power of artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. This is MindHack AI, and I'm here to show you how to grow smarter, faster, and richer using the power of artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.